You have 1 month and 1 day to finish your tax return.
Oh, it is coming. The IRS will not remind you. They never do, but the robo-scam calls will. Atlanta News First consumer investigator Better Call Harry is here with a warning about a surge of robocalls, and they promise tax debt relief.
There is no tax debt relief. I mean, I wish there was. I really do. But please ignore the robocall that says there's an exciting new program that will forgive your past tax debt. There is no new program. But you still have options, and that's why we're here. The IRS will allow you to pay your debt back over time. Yes, they will. You'll pay interest, but the answer is yes. Can you try and settle your debt if you can't pay at all? The answer again is yes. It's called an offer in compromise. Can you ask for a delay? Once again, yes. Everything you need to know is behind me. It's right here on the IRS website. We pulled it up full with links to the forms that you need. And I can't believe I'm saying this. The IRS website is easy to navigate and it's easy to understand, but I want you to ignore calls similar to this one.
Hello, I'm calling about file number FTN 65128. Go ahead and give us a call back at... It's regarding your missed filings and the wonderful options to get you caught up with no penalties incurred. I've got some great news for you about new programs that have recently taken effect in 2025.
Thanks to our photographer, Luke, for revoicing that segment. Per FCC, we can't play the actual voicemail, but that's what it says. What's the scam? Well, we can tell you this. One of the callback numbers connected us to a tax debt relief company out of Los Angeles, and they want you to pay them thousands of dollars to help you negotiate a settlement that you could negotiate yourself. Please do not pay a tax debt relief company thousands of dollars when you could put that money towards your tax bill. If you have problems, you talk to a CPA. They may send you to a tax attorney.
You talk about a tax attorney. Is that going to be more expensive than maybe turning to one of those debt relief companies?
This is very surprising. We recently did a podcast about this, and it's on our website. We did a story last year about a man who paid a debt relief company $6,000, and they did the whole thing wrong. The tax attorney he hired was half the price, and he ended up getting more than $20,000 back. Better Call Harry. Atlanta News First investigates.